class, HR is more than just recruiting employees. In fact, this part of an organization is a very important one if you want a healthy and successful organization. But because it is so crucial and that it affects a lot of components of a company, you need to concentrate a lot of your attention on it. This is why Desjardins is offering a HR system to help businesses with all the steps of HR. I am going to describe and compare this system to the theory in chapter 1 and 5 on HRM challenges and on orientation, training, and development. Let's start by looking at what Employer ID is offering. It is a HR package that you can adjust to your company needs, strategies, and goals. You can benefit from information centralization, decentralized access, interactive modules, and business intelligence that contain process automation like recalls and automated notes, management indicators, dynamic dashboards, and graphs. This also includes a self-service application for employees where they can receive their payroll. They offer 8 different modules that you can choose from to fit your company needs, like training, outsourcing, recruitment, and others. If we compare the employer ID system to the definition of a HRM system in the book, which is a technology system that provides data and information for purposes of control and decision making, we can see that it is really similar with what Desjardins system offers. I even think that the system that we are looking at has more than this specification because it is very flexible and it can easily adapt to the company needs. Also, in the chapter 1 of the book, they mention that the technology influences the HRM in 3 basic ways. First, by its operational impact, like in automatizing the routine, like the payrolls, that reduces cost and improves their efficiency. Secondly, in enhancing services to line manager and employee, like keeping personal information safe, and employee self-service, like accessing their pay statement on an app. And finally, it revolutionized our way to access information, like in the process of recruiting. As you can see, all of these benefits are also part of the advantages of the Desjardins system. This shows that this theoretical part of the book is very similar to the real life. Like I mentioned earlier, this HRMS offers 8 different modules to choose from. For this presentation, I will only discuss about 2 of them, which are the module for recruiting and the one for training. I am going to link them with the chapter 5. First, the recruitment module offers the publication of available positions both for internal and external candidates. It offers personalized questionnaires relating to job requirements. Also questionnaires with the interview result analysis usable online. Candidate management like interview follow-up, file notes, reference validation. And automation of the reception process for hiring notice, individual training plan, and equipment loan. Secondly, for the training module, you can benefit from help with the follow-up of employee training and to show the importance you give to employee with improvement and advancement. You can also attract and retain competent, motivated resources. The features of this module are going to help you reach those goals. It contains planned training session, it manages course registration, it automatically attributes the knowledge or skill acquired in training, it compiles statistics to answer the specific company needs. From the statistic, you can fill out the form required by the government. It also offers employee self-service to allow them to look up the courses calendar and schedules, to register online for a waiting list, and to view or receive registration informations. If we compare what Desjardins offers to the theory, we can see that it is pretty similar. If we start with the recruitment process, the chapter 4 says that you need to complete 6 steps to complete the selection process, which are the submission of the resume, first screening, the employment test, the team interview, the reference check, and the hiring decision. As you can see, you can complete all those steps with the system. If you cannot factually do it, you can at least take all the information and store them in the candidate file. For the second module, in the chapter 5, they say that the system approach to a model to a training model involve four phases, which are the training needs assessment, the training design, the training delivery, and the evaluation. In Desjardins' system, you can see that they skip the two first steps. They offer a training, but maybe it is not related to the needs of the company. But with all the statistics and the comments of the employee, the company should be able to adapt it for the future years. In conclusion, the theory is very similar to real life except for certain details. So what we see in this class is very useful for aspiring HR professional and line manager. All of the information for the description of the system were taken from the two first links from Desjardins, and all of the citation of definition were taken from the book.